Hello Arkesel users, and welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of sending voice SMS using the Arkesel platform. Voice SMS is a powerful way to communicate with your contacts using audio messages. With that said, let's get started. Once you're logged in, locate the Voice SMS option on your dashboard and select Send Quick Voice SMS. Now let's take a look at the recipients field. This is where you'll enter the phone numbers of the people you'd like to send your voice SMS to. You can enter multiple numbers, separated by a semicolon, horizontal bar, tab, or new line. The system will also allow you to remove any duplicates that exist in your recipient field. Next, you'll need to choose the audio file you want to send. Arkesel supports audio files in either MP3 or WAV format. Click the Choose File button to upload your audio file. Once you've added your recipients and selected your audio file, you're ready to send the voice SMS. Click the Send Voice SMS button to initiate the message delivery process. Arkesel will confirm your voice SMS submission and your recipients will receive a call on their number with your provided audio as a voicemail. And that's it. You've successfully sent a voice SMS using the Arkesel platform. To view the status of your voice SMS, simply visit the Report section and select Voice SMS History. Review history ensures delivery status is either answered, not answered, busy, or submitted. Please note that Arkesel does not charge your account for unanswered voice SMS. Thank you for watching this Arkesel tutorial on how to send voice SMS using the Arkesel system. If you have further questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.